The Wave House of Hargeisa by Do Architecture Group in Hargeisa, Somalia. The Wave House in Hargeisa serves as the architectural manifestation of the rich culture and history of the region. Located on the outskirts of Hargeisa, Somaliland, the house is inspired by the undulating waves of the nearby Gulf of Aden, which gently caress the shores of Berbera and the entire Horn of Africa region. This private residence harmonizes seamlessly with its environment. Designed with careful consideration of the local climate, heritage, and traditions, the house embodies the principles of Islamic architecture while catering to the needs of its inhabitants. At its core, the Wave House embraces the ethos of Somali culture, particularly the values of hospitality and privacy. The ground floor is thoughtfully divided into 3 distinct areas, each serving a specific purpose. A welcoming guest living room greets visitors at the entrance, flanked by a private studio and guest bedroom. A spacious kitchen and separate dining area complete this level, seamlessly connected to the second floor via a central courtyard. This courtyard not only fosters a sense of privacy but also acts as a climate regulator, enhancing natural ventilation throughout the home. Privacy and hospitality are carefully balanced, allowing guests to be welcomed independently or integrated into family life as desired. A separate bathroom, doubling as a wudu area for Islamic cleansing rituals, further reflects the integration of cultural and religious practices into the architectural design. Each space on the ground floor offers a unique view of the central courtyard, fostering a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. On the upper floor, privacy takes precedence, with bedrooms, bathrooms, and a private prayer area dedicated to the family's spiritual practices. The rooftop, accessible for leisurely strolls, offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, framed by the villa's distinctive curved wall edges. These strategic viewpoints invite contemplation and appreciation of the natural beauty that surrounds the house. In essence, the Wave House represents a harmonious fusion of architecture, culture, religion, and environment. It stands as a testament to the timeless principles of design that celebrate both the past and the present, creating a sanctuary that honors tradition while embracing the future of the Somali region.